40% pump for Aerodrome. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It is your boy Lex Money. We got some fantastic news for Aerodrome today. It's been a long journey, guys. God damn. $1 again, guys. $1 again. We've been through it with Aerodrome Finance. We're going to find out while we're pumping today. We're going to find out what the key levels to be avoiding going max long are going to be, what my new bull run targets, where I'm going to be DCAing out quite heavily are. But before we get into that, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel for more Aerodrome updates, because right now, holy schmoly, Ethereum is above 4K. And that is what we needed, guys, right? Ethereum up 13% this week. When we go to Aerodrome, we were up about 40% today. It's now like 30%. Who cares? And why have we been DCAing into Aerodrome Finance, guys? Well, backed by CB Ventures, the TVL actually just surpassed 1 billion on base in July, leveraging fee sharing and cross-chain staking to optimize liquidity. One of the best liquidity dexes on base, probably is the best liquidity dex on base. And you saw a lot of institutional adoption into Aerodrome Finance. And that was for good reason, guys, because they were front running this announcement. Coinbase just announced full base integration for their Coinbase app, meaning millions of users can buy whatever they want on base through the app. So they can be full degens right at the top. Of course, they're going to make you be degens right at the top, guys. Be careful, right? Now, this is why Aerodrome's been my largest holding, because it just made sense that it was the alpha play for base. And now it's spiking on the news. Okay, easily going to get a flood of volume from these users, and especially this stage of the market where people are a lot more speculative with renewed optimism into the market. Now, what makes Aerodrome different, guys? Each week, 100% of protocol revenue is redistributed to Aero voters as incentives. There's a lot of you guys who are Aero holders. Let me know if you are in the comment section. But revenue's nearly tripled that of even Solana's. Look at that. Okay, Solana, Pump Fund, Jupiter, Radium, and then boom, revenue by protocol in the last 24 hours. This was like 3 days ago. Okay, Aerodrome nearly $500,000. Now, that is the reason why Aerodrome is pumping on positive news. And we've tracked this pretty well, guys. Okay, we've done it done it well. We've just been on the right side of the trade, guys. Now, anywhere in here was where we bought our first like major stack of Aerodrome. If I can find the tool rectangle, it was like 40 cents, wasn't it? It was about 40 cents to 60, I think, was where we bought the majority of it. So if you bought in the shmoney zone, then well done, because you guys are in profits right now and you're not stressing. Okay, if you bought anywhere in here, if you bought near the top, I bought my first bag like quite high around here. Doesn't really matter because we managed to DCA back down from that 40-cent buy. You know, we're up 150% right now. So again, you need to choose your coins carefully, guys, and make sure you are diversified, because Aerodrome is a big part of my portfolio and is going to be a reason why I am happy today. Well, I'm sure a lot of you guys are happy today. Now, key levels, guys. We can use the order blocks first. Use the median. $1.33 is going to be the median area for this first order block, and we got the larger order block at the all-time high between $2 all the way to $2.35. Now, if we can get a sustained candle close out of here, we're not out of the mud yet, guys, because it's the one-day chart. We pumped up 30-something%, now 20% on today's daily candle. If we can close out of here, that's going to be great. But sometimes, as you can see, these things can end the day on a wick back into the zone. Okay, so ideally we need to be closing above this white line, or we're going to come back down below $1 again, which, to be honest, doesn't really matter, because I do think Aerodrome is going to break out eventually, whether this is the pump to break it out or we come back down to this order block at like 90 cents and then go again. It doesn't make a difference to me because we've been holding it for God knows how long. But the breakout target, for all of you guys wondering right now, we take it from here all the way to the bottom. Okay, and we're going to cross-check this as well. Breakout target is somewhere around the all-time high, right? We're going to have a lot of resistance, so it's not just going to go straight up in a vertical line, guys. You're going to have like ups and downs along the way, okay? So maybe we do something like this. We come up to this order block, okay? Oh, shit. Come up to this order block, right? come back down to retest it. Again, want to take out that order block, go to the next order block. You guys catch my drift, okay? So that's just like something that I do see as a possibility. Remember, this is the daily chart, so don't expect this in like the next few hours because it's just not going to happen. But then also what you're going to see is when we do draw the fibs from this high to that range low, then boom, order block right in line with the 0.5 fib. Next order block right in line with the 0.786 to 1, which historically is a very big area of resistance. And then you got the 1618 target of around $3. Now that breakout didn't take us to $3. To be honest, I would want to front run that because a lot of people do use fibs. So bear that in mind when you are trading and when you're setting up your DC out targets, guys. A lot of people are going to try and front run this. They may even front run this breakout target, so it would mean that we only get to like $2.70 and everyone's waiting for $3 plus. Doesn't mean we can't get there eventually. Doesn't mean we can't print new all-time highs and then have blow off tops to, you know, $3 to $5. But I'll be protecting my capital, considering by that point, if we say, I think my average buy price is around 45 cents now, we would be up 500%. So far this bull run, I'm sure a lot of you guys would have took 500%, you know, or you could wait for an extra 200%, which really isn't going to be that much of a difference, guys. So around there, big take profit zone. If we do start to lose dominance again, Bitcoin dominance decides it doesn't want to fall, it is cucking us right now, and then we do go up to 65%, then yes, we could fall back down to try and retest either this trend line or, in the worst case scenario, this order block here, which I do think would be a strong level of support. And if we broke back through it, then, you know, my whole idea on Aerodrome would change, and I would let you guys know that as well. But right now, Aerodrome, very good, very nice. I think the time is coming for all of us to be on high alert for taking our profits for Aerodrome. But back at $1, everything's looking good. 18% for the day compared to some of these other ones. Yes, it is based on news. So remember, news candles can be reversed as soon as everyone sells off. But right now, looking good. Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully, we can lose 60.42%. Hopefully, Ethereum can break above this order block. Remember, massive resistance right above us right now. Okay, we're only $60 away from this multi-year resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we've had pretty big rejections from here, guys. Okay, so if ETH goes, probably the ETH ecosystem and base included should start to go as well. Everything's looking pretty good. You guys let me know what you're thinking about Aerodrome in the comment section. If you made it this far, you know what to do. Like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace.